Right now, this video will help your lifestyle for 2018. I am going to show you how to sign up on the Cryptocode.co website. The first step you want to do is enter your email address and then click Let Me In Now, which is highlighted in orange. Now you have to wait for that page to load. You can see here that it will say create free account. You have to enter your first name, your last name, enter your phone number and your password. For example, it should look like this. Now click create new account and you should be able to verify your account. So that's it for today. If you want to find more information, you can visit the Weeze Coins page. You can read over 150 pages for more info. Hopefully this video helped you sign up on the Cryptocode.